Hi, this is Nkechi from the Bend. So today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce this fascinator from the big side on the left hand side to the small size on the right hand side. The first one was done for the client, but the client wanted it reduced, and so we had to look for a way. I had to look for a way to do it, and I would like to show you. I wasn't able to record it because of the urgency, but at least I believe if I explain to you with some few pictures I was able to get, you would get the hang of it. So let's dive into today's tutorial. But first of all, I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my dearest subscribers for your viewage, for your comments and your likes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and you won't regret it. You would get great tips like I'm about to give you today, and also know how to make lovely, unique designs to stand you out. So why waste time? Pause this video right now and click the subscription button below, and also the bell to be notified of all my new trainings. Thank you. The first thing I did was to turn the back of this fascinator. Remember, the back of the fascinator, you'd have used bias to line where you covered. So what I did was I pulled out all the bias, then I opened up the material itself. Of course, when you open up the material itself, what you see next is the pad and the rod. So the next thing I did was to use the rod, the cutter, and I cut the rod that was there. After I cut the rod at the edge there where you can see the red arrow, then after that I measured the inches I would like to cut out. Let's assume it was 2 inches. I can't remember right now. I measured from the tip to the to where it would stop, the 2 inches. I measured it all round from the tip all round. I kept putting on dots. Then I used a biro to draw the line all round, or you could use a circular object to do that, whatever you can. And the next thing I did was to use scissors and cut it all round. After I cut it, this was the piece that came out. Okay, so this is how the back will look now. So without the rod that you can see, the rod is what I started putting the hat wire, the bronze one, so that the bronze one is easier to bend. So I took my hat wire, the bronze one, and started sewing it round the edges. After I finished, I covered it back with the material, used bias, and used uhu gum and covered it the rough edges with the bias, and there it was. The hat was reduced, or rather the fascinator was reduced. I hope you gained knowledge from this video. Do let me know in the comment section whether you understood this video and it has helped you to solve a similar issue. Thanks for watching.